Good morning, students. We're going to review our grammar exercises on pages 169, 170, 171, and 172. Page 169, use words that compare and contrast. We're going to see the instructions. There we have vocabulary. We have and, like, to, but, unlike. And our exercise has instructions. Read each set of sentences. Write a word from the box to complete the last sentence. Use each word on one time. Only one time we're going to use each word. Meanings. First, we're going to know what the word's meaning is. Definition is the meaning of the word. There we have and, used to join two words, phrases, parts of sentences, or related statements together. Then we have the definition of like, to enjoy, approve, or something or someone. Then we have the definition of to, more than is needed or wanted, more than is suitable or enough. But, used to introduce an added statement, usually something that is different from what you have said before. But, to. Then we have the word unlike, different from. Then we have our sentences, and we are going to use the words in the sentences. We're going to complete the words with the sentences. There we have, I like art class. My sister does not. I like art class. Class, but my sister does not. Sentence number 2. My sister's ballet lessons is at noon. My lesson is at 1. My sister's ballet lessons is at noon, and my lesson is at 1. In these two sentences, we are going to use the words but and the word and. We're going to use the definitions to know the meaning of the words in order to answer the sentences. Then we have, I drew purple flowers. Maria drew purple flowers. Like Maria, I drew purple flowers. Sentence number 4. Nate made a clay pot. I made a clay plate. Unlike Nathan, I made a clay plate. Here we're going to use the words like and unlike. Sentence number 5. Pearl has a robot, Wagner has a robot, Pearl has a robot, and Wagner has a robot too. Going to use the word too. Writing trait sentence. Page 170. Page 170. First, here we're going to remember what are some words. We're going to remember what is a statement. Is the definition of a statement something that is said or written, or a document showing the account balance? Statement. The question. The definition of a question is asking of something. Is the asking of something. Question. We already saw these words in grammar. We have to remember how to use them. Okay? Command. Command is defined as to give orders or exert authority over someone or something. Exclamation. Something exclaimed. Exclamatory word or phrase interjection. Okay, we have to remember these 4 words that we are going to use them to answer the exercises. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to, example, we have an exercise that says one statement. We are going to choose from the 4 sentences that we have. We have to place them in the correct way. We have to place them in the correct word. Example, we have, the artist shows what a sunset looks like. What is that? Is that a question? Is that a command? Is a statement? Is it an exclamation? No, it's a statement. Okay? And then you have to look for the other words in the exercise. If the word ends with a question, it's a question. If a word ends with an exclamation mark, it's an exclamation. That's the way we're going to do this exercise. Then we have rearrange, part B, with different words, part B. Example, we have 3 sentences, 3 or 4 sentences, and we have to rearrange those sentences in a different way. Example, he brought his rock collection to school today. This is the sentence. Now we have to rearrange it in a different way. We're going to say, today he brought his rock collection to school. This is another way how to say the same sentence in a different way. Look at the example so it will help you to answer the other sentences. Here you have the answers D, A, C, B of part A. Then we have page 171, self-evaluation guide. What are you going to do here? You're going to research an essay of a topic. Number 2, read the essay and answer the self-evaluation guide on page 171. With the information of the essay, you're going to answer the page 171 self-evaluation guide. Those are questions, you have to answer them with, remember, with the information of an essay. Look for the word essay on the internet, download a small essay, and then answer the evaluation guide, self-evaluation guide with the information from the essay. Page 172. Okay, what are you going to do on page 172? You're going to look at the detailed web picture. Okay, on page 172, there is a detailed web picture. You're going to use this detailed picture to search, to write information of a main idea and the details. Okay, first we're going to look for it, then search a story or a topic. I send a picture of a detail web. I send it a picture. Look for it in the platform. There you have a detail web. Then you're going to search a story or topic, and then you're going to write the information in the web. Remember, main idea is the most important or central thought of a paragraph or a larger section of text, which tells the reader what the text is about. Remember, you're going to write the main idea in the middle. Then you're going to write the details above and below, a single piece of information or fact about something. You're going to write details about the main idea. Thank you. Page 169, 170, 171, and page 172. If you have any questions, please call me and I will answer them. Thank you very much.